I did a video not too long ago that's part of my video series, A Danger to Bikers Nobody Talks About. And you guys need to watch that video series, man, because I give some tips in there to help keep you from having a fooked up day. You know, there's a lot of dangers out here that nobody really talks about. It's not to scare you guys, but to get you guys educated to help keep you safe out here. That's what I'm all about, man. And I heard in it, but I did this video not too long ago, and I was talking about the bird, you know, these birds out here being a danger to us bikers. And lo and behold, in the news recently, I saw where a vulture took out a motorcycle rider and his passenger.
Let's go for a ride. You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today. Continue to leave video suggestions, but you may find what you're looking for by visiting my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Videos. And those are a bunch of playlists with all of my videos categorized in them to make it easier for you to navigate through.
Yeah, baby. I love it. Hit it. Brap, brap. Brap, brap, baby. But you know what, guys? I'm in the ghetto right now. And this ghetto got me crazy. There's more to life than smoking weed at Mercedes. The quote from Master P. Old school, baby. I gotta be careful. That's, hey, look at a little wiener dog in the yard, man. I love coming back to the hood. But I'm gonna take a little shortcut here. Take a little shortcut here on my dual sport, baby. Slide action up in here. Woo! Good times, baby. Oh, I love this bike, man. So lightweight, throw it around. I'll be careful, man. I'm going too fast. I want to get a speeding ticket out here. But I tell you, that's what's really awesome about dual sports, man. You could take off in the woods, take some side cuts, and get away from the cops if you, but I don't recommend trying to outrun cops. But if they don't pull you over and they're like getting ready to tell you or something, and you want to get away, just get out of their sight, that's a good thing to do, what I just did. But they could probably give you a ticket though for doing that. That could be illegal, but they had to catch you first, baby. Good times. But anyways, guys, yeah, man, that was really, oh my God, I was so shocked to see that Vulture took out two bikers. And you know what? They weren't wearing a helmet. After I told you guys in that video, apparently those riders were not listening to me. They should have watched my video series. Had they watched that video series, they'd have saw that birds can attack you and set you up for a real fooked up day. And I did, you know, in that video I did way back, you know, I was telling you guys, I showed you a news report where this guy, actually a bird attacked this rider and he crashed and he ended up paralyzed. And I told you guys, had he had on a neck brace like I'm rocking right now, it could have possibly helped prevented you know, injury to his neck. And but I'm telling you guys, you know, when birds attack, sometimes they can attack your eyes. You know what I'm saying? But I know a lot of you guys don't wear helmets, you'll wear sunglasses or something, but that's not good enough, man. But these birds, they can swoop down on you anytime, and it happens, man. One time it almost happened to me. I had a big bird that came at me, and luckily I ducked out of the way in time. I was on my sport bike actually speeding, man. And that could have set me up for a real fooked up day. But I had a helmet on, so I had a better chance of surviving. You know, a lot of times what happened in this case, in this report, I guess the Vulture attacked the guy that was riding, and I think it attacked his passenger too or whatnot. I don't know, but he lost control or whatnot, and he ended up crashing, and that's what how both of them ended up perishing from crashing. Not so much from the bird, but the bird disoriented them, which makes sense. Obviously, they attack your head and your eyes. It's going to make you want to crash, especially if you don't have a helmet. But if you have a helmet, you know, like I said, you have a better chance. But and don't wear, like I tell you guys, I don't understand why people wear open face helmets. That's dumb. Could you imagine that bird slamming into your face, and you got the helmet ain't gonna do nothing for you if it's a half-face helmet. So wear that full face helmet with the shield, guys. Don't be stupid, man. Don't be. I tell you, I've had a lot of times rocks hit me up here in the shield and everything, and I couldn't imagine riding without a shield. That's just crazy. Or without a helmet, for that matter. Let's go do some hooligan riding. Oh, police officer. Oh, police officer. Oh, God. Please. Damn, man. That was so dumb of me, guys. And I think I just got a pass, guys. Seriously. I wheelied right in front of the freaking cop. Not smart. Oh, man. Oh, boy. But anyways, guys, the lesson here is to wear your helmet all the time, because birds are out here attacking fools. Squids out here that are too stupid to wear a helmet. So I want you guys to stay safe out here. That's why I do these videos, man. I want you to keep riding. I don't want to see you have a real fooked up day. But anyways, guys, for those of you guys that want to get my gear, you know, my camel pants, boots, gloves, jackets, all my stuff, I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos. Or go to my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Gear, and that's links to all of my stuff.
Thumbs up. Check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.